Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're planning to move to Germany for work opportunities, I have got some exciting news for you. Germany's opportunity card has now fully been integrated with the consular services portal. And in this video, I'll tell you the latest updates, including how to apply and what has changed recently. So stick around till the end for some important FAQs and important tips. So, opportunity card is a resident permit, also known as Chancenkarte. It allows workers from non-European countries to stay here for a year and search for a job. In case if you get a job, you can extend this visa or change it to work permit. To get this opportunity card, you need to fulfill some basic requirements, which is financial proof, generally through a blocked account to cover your living expenses. Currently, it is around 1100 euro, but keep checking on the portal as it keeps changing. And you can also check for other options such as financial proof by a person living in Germany and sponsoring you, and a degree or vocational experience which is recognized in Germany, and some language proficiency, a minimum of A1 level German or a minimum of B2 level English. If you have a degree from German universities, then you qualify directly. Otherwise, you have to go through points-based system. You need at least 6 points to become eligible to apply for opportunity cards. Let's talk about how to get them. If your degree is recognized in Germany, you will get 4 points. And to get your degree recognized in Germany, you can also take help from Central Office for Foreign Education, which is known as Zentralstelle für ausländisches Bildungswesen in Germany. I have also provided the link in the description. You can get up to 4 points for your language proficiency in Germany or in English. A1 is basically minimum requirement to be eligible to apply for this visa, and if you have A2 German proficiency, then you will get 1 extra point. For B1 proficiency, you will get 2 extra points. For B2 or above, you will get 3 points. In addition to this, if you have English proficiency of C1 or more than C1, then you will get 1 extra point. So you can get maximum of 4 points based on your language proficiency. And in case of shortage occupation, if your profession comes under shortage occupation in Germany, so you will get 1 extra point. And I have provided the list for this shortage occupation in the description. You can also check that list. And if you're applying at the same time with your spouse, so both of them, if you're applying, one of you will get 1 extra point. If you're less than 35 years old, you will get 2 points. And if your age is in between 35 to 40, you will get 1 point. And in case if you have work experience of 2 years in last 5 years, you will get 2 points. And for 3 years work experience in last 7 years, you will get 3 points. And if you have stayed in Germany for up to 6 months, then you can also get 1 point, but it does not include family visits or vacations. You need a minimum of 6 points, but you can get a maximum of 16 points. So you can calculate how many points you can obtain, and then you can start your application. Since 17th February, you can apply for opportunity card completely online, as the process is now integrated with the German Consular Services portal. So you need to visit the portal, calculate your points system, and then fill the details and upload all the required documents. To book your appointment, you go to your particular embassy to book your appointment. And in my previous video, which I made for Consular Service portal, the links for Chennai, Mumbai and New Delhi were not active by then, but now all the links for German embassies in India are now active. So you can book your appointment, go to your appointment for biometric data and pay the processing fees. If you applied for opportunity card before 17th February and were waiting for your appointment at your respective embassy, you must upload your document to the consular service portal, and you must have received an email regarding the same. So please submit all your documents to the consular service portal, otherwise your application might not be processed. There are some important frequently asked questions Yes, you can work up to 20 hours per week and take trial jobs for up to 2 weeks at a time. You will be notified via the CSP portal. Make sure to upload all the required documents. Processing time vary and demand may lead to longer waiting times for appointment. No, biometric data like fingerprints is mandatory. Not yet, but it is under development. So that's all for the Germany's opportunity card. Hit the bell icon and subscribe my channel for more updates. Still have questions? Mention them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.